I invite you to close your eyes and let the feeling of this music I invite you to close your eyes and let the feeling of this music come alive in you. Just feel the power of that music. Allow it to bring your mind through a visual blessing of the fields of grain, of the blue skies and the sun shining. Allow your heart to open up to the gifts of where we live and who we are. I'm going to ask Joe and the band to bring it back up again. And I want you to just experience this song and just take a journey of visual blessing. Whatever is on your heart this morning, in our nation from sea to shining sea, just sweep it with a blessing of love. Like an eagle flying over this nation, dive down and land places and deliver messages of love, messages of harmony, comfort, nourish. See it right. Set it right in the mind. See it right. See compassion growing. See love harmonizing. Allow it to become a full experience in your body, in your heart, and in your mind. Through the valleys and through the mountains, through the oceans, the children, the homes, the spaces and places. Breathe into your power to bless. Breathe into your power to see. You've got to see it right, to set it right. So we take a deep community breath, right here and right now. Bring our attention now to the heart center, to that inner sanctuary. Connect with the peace that lies there. Connect with the love that lies there. And allow that love, that peace to flow out from the heart like ribbons of light. Let those ribbons comfort the afflicted. Let them prosper the impoverished, whether materially, emotionally, or spiritually. Let those rivers of love and ribbons of peace harmonize discord. We take a deep breath into the silence. By the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. May all beings know the delight of inner freedom and the peace that comes from mindfulness. And so it is. Namaste.